What's going on, guys? Let's talk about Sklz. Before we get into the chart breakdown, please, if you could hit the like button for me, it would really help out my page and my channel. Also, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers before the end of the month. I kind of do these chart breakdown videos on stocks that I'm trading, looking at things that you guys are interested in on the daily. Also, I do have a Discord. I'm very, very active in there during market hours. I do this full time, so you can catch me in there. I got a great group of guys in there trading as well. Some people from beginners to people a little bit more experienced with their own trading strategy or using my strategy to trade. And, you know, you can kind of bounce your ideas around in there. That link is also in the description, as well as a website kind of showing you guys how I trade. That's also in the description. But let's get into Sklz here. Sklz earnings today, down a little bit on earnings. Okay. Was it to be expected? Not really. This stock has been really, really down in the dumps for a long time. I think this is more of a long-term play. Okay. It's not really a day tradable stock. You know, before any of you guys say, well, you know, it's a perfect day tradable stock, just short it or whatever, blah, blah, blah. You know, I don't want to hear that. You know, we got stocks like, you know, today Amazon was up $34, Snow's up $16, Home Depot's up $4. You know, Boeing put in a nice move. AMD has been on a tremendous multiple day run. The triple Qs also put in 2 points today. Don't give me none of that. Tesla broke out, put up 2 days of amazing worth of trading. So I don't want to talk about stocks that are moving 60 cents being good day tradable stocks. Okay, there's a lot of other stocks that are day tradable. But if we're talking about from a swing perspective, we're talking about from an investment perspective, I think that Sklz is a long-term play. I currently hold some of my portfolio. You know, the portfolio is not too happy with what Sklz is doing. But, you know, we're down here at this lower Bollinger Band. We're down here in the 12s. You know, we're approaching the 12s. We are going to run into a little bit of support down at 1281 on the daily. If I do pull up the 1 hour time frame here, you can see here we put in a low after earnings of $12.90. We're going to have some firm support down here at the linear regression line down at 1229. If this doesn't hold up here and this doesn't start to bounce back up, continued selling pressure, we lose the low after hours, I could see us coming down here into the low 12s. If we come into the low 12s, this could potentially be a loading zone. Okay. It's been a long time since we've been down here, if ever. The last time we were down here was last week. When we did touch base down here, we did get this bounce off of it. Before we reclaimed that, we were trading under. When we tried to reclaim it once here, we got rejected. Okay, so it seems to be a significant level of support for the short time. Okay, if we do get more selling pressure and we get any close below $12, that's where it starts to get a little touchy, because we can potentially come down here to 10. I don't think that we're going to come down here to 10, but you know, anything is possible. It depends on what they want to do to this stock. We have not ever been down to this level before. So if you are a swing trader or you're an investor, this is a great time to pick up some stock. You're not going to be too concerned about a 60-cent move. You're not going to be too concerned about the dollar move up and down, you know, whether it wants to skate around here for another month or so. You're in it for the long haul. You're swinging this for the longer term. You know, this is a great opportunity down here to pick up some stock. Obviously, if we can get it lower, get it lower. I never suggest loading up on stock that you're going to hold, you know, for an extended period of time high. We always want to buy the dip. So, you know, it's different if you're trading, you know, you want to buy the breakouts, potentially dip areas, this, that, and the other. But if you want to buy this for long term, you want to swing this long term, let's let it get down lower. Let's see what it does down here at the lower Bollinger Band. Do we break down? If we do break down, let's look to come down. Let's see where we kind of base out at here. But this is going to be a good critical area here. Any price in the 12s, I think, is a buy on Sklz for the long term to swing. Okay. Obviously, it's got a lot of work to do. We need to get over this $14.60 mark, which is the 10 and the 5-day moving average. Then we also need to clear out 15. I don't think we start to get bullish until we reclaim the 50-day moving average, and that's all the way up here at $18. So when that comes, I do not know, but you have to stay patient in a stock like Sklz. And if, you know, this is a type of stock that when it does reclaim the 50-day moving average and it gets back up here to 18, 20, 22, you're going to wish that you loaded up down here at 12. Okay, you're going to wish that you loaded up here at $12, $13. Whether that takes 3 months, 6 months, a year from now, this thing doubles in price. You're going to wish that you were buying down here when everybody was selling. Okay, but if you're a trader, you don't really want to touch this stock. Maybe you can short it below this level, maybe below this Bollinger Band here at 1280. Potentially have some $2 for a slide here. If you want to trade it to the top side, I think you need to break 1588. 1588 will take you to $17. That's a potential move there. And then from 17 to 18 to test this 50-day moving average. I think those are the levels you want to play if you want to trade this stock long. But guys, please, if you could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I do these videos daily. I will catch you guys all on the next one.